my name is Bobby Bones, and welcome to Channel 69 News, where today we'll be talking about what has already been named the Blizzard 93. Now, let's go to James May, who is currently at a press conference talking about the extreme weather conditions throughout the state of Pennsylvania.
Ladies and gentlemen of Pennsylvania, we are witnessing a historic blizzard. On call, a complete traffic ban on the entire state. This storm is one that we will never forget. The only vehicles that are allowed on the road are emergency vehicles. If you are found on the road, you'll be fined $250 or even be arrested. We are taking this traffic ban very seriously. If you need help, you need to contact your local 911 center. We are working as fast as possible to keep the roads in a stable condition. All of our trucks are out and plowing. We are focusing on main roads and highways so we can get the traffic ban lifted on certain roads. If you live on a back road that we own, we will eventually get to you. We are in full contact with local city and borough officials on how to keep the back roads clear if there is an emergency. Please be patient with us. Like I said, we are working as fast as possible to get things cleared up. We will keep you updated through your local radio and news stations and also through the National Weather Service and the Weather Channel. On behalf of PennDOT, please stay safe and please stay off the roads. Watch your elderly neighbors and animals. If you do not have power, please contact your local 911 center and you will be moved to a shelter that has power. Stay safe, Pennsylvania. Thank you.
Welcome back to the newsroom here. Now we'll be taking you to Yale Professor Zeb, who will be giving us the details on the weather anomalies occurring throughout the country.
Thanks, Bobby. Alright, let's look at how this whole thing started. An Arctic high-pressure system developed over the Great Plains and the Midwest. This system is moving south. Also, a very low-pressure system has developed here over the Gulf of Mexico. Along with that, the polar and tropical jet streams merged, creating wind speeds up to 170 miles per hour. The stream dips here over the Gulf of Mexico and then goes up the northeast coast. This lowers temps even further by bringing this cold air down. All of these events triggered a large line of powerful thunderstorms that then developed along here, feeding northward, brought by a cold front. The storms were tremendous, even sinking a 200-foot freighter. This already massive storm is having exceptionally strong winds and has even caused 11 tornadoes in the state of Florida. As the storm moves northeast, it is bringing horrific winds and snow, record amounts in many places. Crazy snowfall totals have been reported, such as 42 inches in Tobyhanna and 25 inches in Pittsburgh. That's a lot of snow. Also, barometric pressures have been dropping like crazy. From Tennessee to DC, records have been set by the low pressures. Now, to surmise, an Arctic high pressure system here moving slowly south. In fact, not really that slowly. And here is a low pressure system moving north. They collide, create massive thunderstorms, and then are brought up by a cold front. Now, as the nor'easter keeps on moving, people will begin the act of cleaning up. This is Zeb Thompson, 69 News. Back to you, Bobby.
Okay, now let's take you to Genghis Khan, who will be asking locals about how the storm has affected them thus far.
Hello, I'm Genghis Khan. I'm reporting for Channel 69 News, and we're going to talk to locals today about the storm of the century. Well, what is your interpretation of the snow today?
I mean, there's like 2 feet of snow outside. I can't see anything. It's terrible out here.
Anything else?
Just don't eat the yellow snow. It's not lemonade.
Okay, then. You have a nice day, sir.
You too.
Go back to whatever.
My name is Bobby Bones, and thank you for tuning in to Channel 69 News, where we have been covering the blizzard of 90